The conditions of Bai'at very clearly inform us of the expectations that the Prophet Messiah ﷺ had from the members of his community. And the first condition requires Ahmadis to avoid shirk, associating partners with Allah the Almighty. In this regard, the Prophet Messiah ﷺ states, "If you have taken my Bai'at, you must with sincerity of heart pledge that henceforth and until you draw your last breath, you will abstain from all forms of shirk." Defining shirk in a very comprehensive manner, the Prophet Messiah ﷺ says, Tawheed, the unity of God, does not mean that you proclaim that there is none worthy of worship except Allah, whilst hidden within your heart are hundreds of idols. Rather, any person who considers his own efforts, plans, mischief, and deceitful designs to be of the same value and honor as befits only God Almighty, or relies upon others as he ought to rely only upon God, or give such value to his ego as he ought to give to God Almighty, is in all such circumstances an idol worshipper in the sight of Allah. The Prophet Messiah continues, idols are not merely those made of gold, silver, copper or stones and upon which an idol worshipper relies. Rather, every single thing, every statement, belief or deed given the reverence that is due only to God Almighty is in the eyes of Allah an idol.